girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
is the heart of a woman.
and my soul. Rest of your pride, nigga, check your ego. I left mine at the door just because I let it slide. Drowning all in my emotions, I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in and I try to be strong. I put your words on your lips this time, and I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door.
Say baby, 'cause I demand you. If you were a star, you'd be the one I'm searching for. Other girls, they got attention, but I just always feel like they're in need of something. You got obvious, you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, would shut it down, down, down. Shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, around, around. They notice, so much shut it. These girls ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Ain't got nothing on you. Good luck, cause you the greatest. And if he say you ain't, girl, he's out his mind. To the finest. And if he say you ain't, that boy done lost his mind. Baby, every time you come around, let me down like computers.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Ashimary hair, and if you guys don't know this by now, Ashimary is definitely one of my ultimate favorite hair companies. Like, just in general, they have the best everything. If you're looking for a great quality unit, I highly recommend you shopping with Ashimary over any other company, because I have never, literally ever, received a unit from them that I did not love. I still have them in my collection, and I've worked with Ashimary for a very long time, and I can say that the company just keeps getting better and better with the designs, quality of the hair, the whole experience, even down to the packaging. And I also really love their lashes. If you guys ever wonder, like, what lashes am I wearing in my videos, it's always these lashes. I have been loving their lashes as well, and that says a lot, because you know, typically when we get lashes in a hair package, they're like really sparse and really not something that we see ourselves wearing. But even like the lashes that I have on today, these are Ashimary lashes, and they're specifically these top ones, and then this is the one that I always wear. But yeah, at the moment I do have on their lashes and I love them, okay? So yeah, today you guys, I'm actually wearing a 360 unit. I did show you guys what it looks like up in a ponytail. I showed you guys like what it looks like as a side ponytail. I showed you guys what it looks like if you just want to put a ponytail and just have it down, or if you want to have like a top bun, which is my favorite. I love like the messy bun kind of look, and this unit just works perfect in that type of style. I'll go ahead and put it back in a ponytail in a minute, but I do want to show you guys like what it looks like if you did want to wear it down. Now when I first like saw this unit, I noticed that the curls on this unit, they're like a different type of curl pattern, and this unit does have 4C edges, and I've reviewed like 4C edges units like in the past, but I wasn't always like the best fan of those. This one I actually like because I like that it looks very natural, and even if you do want to like brush them into the rest of the hair, you can do that, and that's what I ended up doing, except for like the very edges, like these little curly pieces like sideburns, but the rest of this is just like free, and it just looks very natural, and it just blends in perfectly with the rest of the hair. You can obviously, you know, touch that up if you wanted to, but yeah, it looks really good. I love how natural the 4C edges look on here. It's not doing too much, and I really love this curl pattern. I don't even know like what kind of curl pattern this is, but like look how pretty these curls are with no product, just water. So they said that this is a kinky curly unit, but like girl, this isn't giving kinky at all. This is just giving curly to me. I feel like it's kinky curly edges, but like the rest of the hair, just like this really pretty curl. I love the curls on this. It's just very beautiful, and it's really like full, which I like as well, because when it comes to curly units, like that matters to me. It's like how full it is, what is it really giving, you know, if you just want to wear it in more of a natural state. And I feel like no matter where I flip this hair, if I want to wear it on either side, it just looks really good, and it flows very naturally. You can definitely get away with like just, you know, you can flip it around and just let it fall where it may type of thing. Wear it down the center, off to the side. I mean, it's just really up to you. I kind of like it down the center too. Let me show you guys what that looks like. It's just the curl pattern eats, like this curl pattern eats down, but it's completely up to you. But this is the finished look though, you guys. And then like I said, I already showed you guys like what it looks like up. I showed you guys the back, how to clip the comb in the back, how to adjust the invisible straps on this unit. And like I said, this is a 360 unit, so you can definitely put it in a ponytail if you wanted to. You can do like braids in the front. I've seen a lot of girls doing the braids lately in the front. You can do a half up, half down. You can do a ponytail, side ponytail. You can flip it over to the side. You definitely get a ton of parting space on this unit. And like I said, this is a 24-inch, and it's really full. I want to say this is about like 200-250% density. It's a really full unit. So if you're liking like the more fuller looks, this is going to be perfect for you. And if you like the more natural looking curly units, you're going to love this one. And plus, if you get tired of wearing it down like this, if it gets too hot, you can always put it up in a ponytail or in a top bun, which is my personal fave. And then also like the parting space you get in it, you get a nice parting space. It looks very natural, and it also has bleached knots, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots in this unit. As you guys can see, the knots are bleached perfectly. You do get a generous amount of parting space on this unit. The entire front is all you. The other thing that I noticed is that I did not have to cut the lace, like not even around my ears. So I like that about this unit as well, because it just fit me perfectly. This unit also has the Invisa straps that you guys see me adjust on both sides, and that gave me like the perfect snug fit. But for me, I did decide to use this wig grip gel to adhere my unit, but you can wear this as a glueless install. But I feel like when you're wearing like a ponytail, you got to be careful with the glueless thing, because when you're trying to put it in a ponytail, your unit might like shift around a little bit, even if you do tighten it up really tight. So I would still suggest using some kind of lace glue, lace front glue, like lace front gel. This is just a gel, this is not glue. And this is by Olive Oil. So yeah, this is the product that I was using today to adhere the unit like on the sides. But I highly recommend that because when you're pulling the unit, like you don't want your unit to like shift around too much, especially when you're wearing a ponytail. This unit is a transparent lace unit. It did come with the pre-cut edges and it has like the scallop edge, and everything is done for you. It even has like a pre-plucked hairline. Even with me like taking, because like here is like the 4C edges. You guys can see them if I like pull them back, but you can easily pull them into the rest of the hair and it just looks so natural. I love how that looks when you just pull it in versus like having it out, but it's completely optional. And then down here you can see it a little bit more. I kind of use my fingers to like curl them so that they're like that, but yeah, I just kept it more so like at the very edge. But this is also a 24-inch. You guys see like how full this 24 inches, and obviously they're going off of the stretch length, so when you stretch the hair out it's gonna go a lot longer than up here. So this is where it's hitting on me, but like look at that curl pattern, y'all. Like these curls are just too bomb, and this is with no product. I didn't use any foaming mousse or anything to define the curls. This is just how it looks, and it's just so bomb. Like hello. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Ashimary, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful versatile unit. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.